Have you ever wondered how to transform your point data into effective polygon features? Well, you're in the right place. Point-to-polygon data is a method of converting point features into polygon features based on their spatial relationships. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at the final result of our point-to-polygon analysis using MapOG map analysis. As you can see, our agriculture point data has been converted into polygons, creating distinct areas of interest. Let's now delve into the step-by-step process of utilizing the point-to-polygon tool in GIS. Step 1. Access the point-to-polygon tool and load your agriculture point data. Click on the Add Upload button and choose Add GIS Data. Here search the country name. Now add the data. Step 2. Name the untitled map. And rename the layer. Step 3. Execute the tool to generate polygons from the points. Click on the Process Data button and choose Point to Polygon tool. Here select the point layer and click on the Convert button. Step 4. Customize the map appearance as needed. Click on the Action button and choose Basic Style. Here change the polygon color and click on the Save Style button. Step 5. Share the map with others for analysis or presentation. Your agriculture point data will be transformed into polygons, effectively creating new areas of interest. In conclusion, the point-to-polygon tool is a powerful asset in GIS analysis. With just a few clicks, you can turn point data into meaningful polygon features, opening up a world of possibilities for spatial analysis. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please write to us at support@mapog.com. Also, feel free to explore our other tools.